Hello, my friends! Welcome back to Quiz Dino! In today's video, Dino has one challenge for you to Would You Rather Mystery Gift Edition. We've prepared 50 choices and 8 seconds to make a decision. If you're confident in your luck, please subscribe to our channel and let's get started. First choice. Would you rather Ferrari or mystery gift? Oh no, it's a skateboard! Would you rather get a cute puppy or a mystery gift? No, this is not the pet Dino wants to get. Which one will you choose this time? A round-the-world airplane ticket or mystery gift? Money box that never empties. We will become a billionaire. Rolex watch or mystery gift? An alarm clock. Will you be lucky this time? Gold bar! You're so lucky! Have a cloud lamp or get the surprise in the mystery gift. Hooray! This is what I've wanted for a long time. Keep the prize or gamble for what's inside? Ew, it's a bitten apple. Would you rather? How disappointing! That is a toothpaste Oreo! Would you rather have one diamond right now or wait for a surprise from a mysterious gift box? This mystery gift contains lots of diamonds. Are you a fan of Taylor Swift? Mystery gift is BFF of Lisa. Dino is very curious about what's inside that mystery box. Haunted castle. Bad luck this time. Choose one side. I'll choose talk to Jesus for sure. What a pity! It's $1. Would you rather be friend of Mr. Beast or give a mystery box? CEO of Apple. Great! Do you want to discover the secrets in the mysterious gift? Found a treasure. It sounds better. Would you rather like this video or see what's in the mystery gift? Mystery gift is subscribe to our channel. Do you prefer live in city made of candies or mystery gift? Owner of a chocolate factory? Great! Be a zombie or oh well, these choices are wild. Would you rather date with your crush or mystery gift? Eat dessert with your favorite actor. Good job! What would you get? Let Dino know in the comment. Step in dog poop. Ooh, I hope you didn't choose that. Test your luck. No junk food or mystery gift. Dino doesn't want to choose both. Can you guess what's in the mystery gift? Fall into the black hole. Awful! Would you rather own one private jet or mystery gift? Should have gone for the private jet. Would you rather choose Cheetos or mystery gift? Haha, who wants to get this? Will you keep this free cinema ticket or risk it all in the box? Free Netflix. Would you rather kiss a fish or get this mystery gift at the end of this video? Gold ice cream or this mystery gift? Oops, I want to be chosen again. A box full of secrets. Do you dare open it? gaming session with PewDiePie. So exciting! Glass slippers or the bread shoes. Would you rather living in this house or choose a mystery gift box? What did you choose? Would you rather have a mysterious gift now? Wow, there's a box of donuts. Yummy! What about this one? Frog pool at home. Do you want to have your own robot chef or a mystery gift? Oh no, I don't want to turn into a robot. It all depends on your luck. Not lucky this time. Would you rather choose the golden toilet or what's in the mystery gift? Porta potty. Will you choose a comment your birthday or a mystery gift? All right, comment your name and let Dino know if you chose the mystery gift. Dino wants to eat fried chicken, but still wants to bet on luck this time. Ooh, no way! Make your choice. Communicate with animals. This is a fun superpower. Would you rather have a cool bedroom or mystery box? Messy bedroom. You're on a roll. Keep going. Free shoes 1 year. Hooray! Would you rather have a mystery gift now? Tetris console. Next round. Sweet buffet. My stomach is gonna explode. Can you choose one? It will definitely be super slow. Are you the lucky one this time? Ken doll. Not bad. Would you rather choose Louis Vuitton luggage or whatever's in the mystery gift? Nah, I don't want this mystery gift. Dino will choose the tiara for sure. Oh no, that's an empty box. Unpredictable. Would you rather gemstones or mystery gift? Terrifying! It's rotten vegetables! Do you want to bet on your luck this time? The Infinity Gauntlet! My dream comes true! Pick one, kick one! Hot chili pepper lipstick! Your lips will swell! What would you choose? It's a truck house. The last one, think carefully. Widescreen TV, congratulations! And the mystery gift you've been waiting for is birthday cake! Is your birthday coming up? Thank you for participating in today's challenge. Please comment on your choices to let Dino and everyone know. If you like this video, remember to press the subscribe button and turn on notifications to not miss more interesting challenges. Hope you have fun and see you in the next video. Goodbye!